Welcome. Here we are going to discuss some important ideas about page formats. There are options for setting the contents of each page in a single column. This happens as usual in usual typesetting, or in two column. This is set by the two options, one column or two column. If you want to typeset in one column, you have to use the option one column, and for typing in two columns, every page then you will you can see two columns. This option is used, two column option is used. There is also an option to specify whether the document will be finally printed on just one side of each paper or on both sides. The names of options used for this purpose, one side for printing on one side, one single side, and two side for printing back to back. What are the advantages of this? What is the advantage of the two side over the one side? One of the differences is that with the two side option, page numbers are printed on the right on odd numbered pages and on the left on even numbered pages, so that when these pages are printed back to back, the numbers are always on the outside, and this will increase the visibility. It will improve the visibility. The default options for article, report, and letter, default is one side, but for book it is two side. If you don't specify it otherwise, it will select, the system will select two side option for book and one side for article, report, and letter. Chapters always begin on a new page. In the report and book class, there is a provision to specify the different chapters. We will discuss it. We will learn it more in some other videos. Chapters always begin on a new page, leaving blank space in the previous page if necessary. With the book class, there is an additional restriction. What is the additional restriction? That the chapters begin only on odd numbered pages, leaving an entire page blank if need be. And such behavior is controlled by the options. There are two options for that: open any and open right. Let's see the default for which class which comes as default. The default is open any for report class. See, open any is for report class, and but open right is for the book class. Default is open any for report class and open right for the book class. And there is also a provision in Latex for formatting the title. In the article class, the title part of this part of the document is printed. The title part of the document is printed along with the text following the first page. While for report and book, separate title pages printed. Now, title for article, after, what does it mean? uh, the title page, there is no separate page for title provided in article class, but for book, for report, a separate page will be provided for title, and the rest of the document will be printed on a new page. So options for this is, and we can change this type of preparation from document typing from one to the other using the options no title page and title page. If there is a if one document class uses one type of typing of the title page by default, then that can be changed by opting the other optional command. So these are no title page and title page. As noted above, the default is no title page for article. For article, default is of this kind. Default of this kind is no title page, and there will be no title page for article. But title page is for report and for book. For book and for report type and for book type document, there will be title page. As with the other options, the default behavior can be overruled. The default option can be overruled by explicitly specifying an option with the document class command. So if you want to overrule no title page for article, you have to specify a title page, and for the other case corresponding changes must be there. Okay, thank you.